Every time I open my Photoshop with internet, it always show me this. Oh God, what will I do now? Okay, now guys, I've got an easy way to do these things. All you need to do is just search for Windows Defender Firewall on your PC and click on it. Click on it. So you click on Advanced Settings. Voila, then you click on Outbound Rules and create a new rule. Then now you click on Program and look for the app in which you want to stop from using the internet. So I'll just look for it from my files and select the app, the Photoshop app I want to restrict the internet. So, okay, I'll just go over and look for it. Look for it very carefully and make sure you select the app itself. So I'll just click on it and then I'll just click on next and block the connections and then next and then name it Adobe. Then voila, next. Yeah, I think we're done. So I'll close everything and close the Photoshop and open it again. Let's see if it shows up. Yeah, voila, you see. It doesn't show me that I have to purchase the Adobe app. So that's how to use Adobe Photoshop even while you are connected with the internet. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.